Heavy rainfall has triggered emergency evacuation efforts in Jordan's iconic city of Petra. The Petra Development and Tourism Regional Authority evacuated visitors from the heritage site after flooding triggered by rains.
The Jordan River, which holds significant historical importance, has been blocked off recently. Many people are eagerly anticipating and curious about this. This famed river's closure has garnered global attention. It implies that a highly critical occurrence is forthcoming. Amidst the anticipation for the unveiling of this enigmatic occasion, much talk and excitement have ensued. The closure of the Jordan River is inevitable, considering ecological restoration work and other related factors, anxiety over the declining state of the river. Being associated with Bible stories gives the Jordan River much cultural and religious importance. Both pilgrimage and baptism practices use it. The river's closure has affected both the local communities and the tourism business, which heavily relies on its beauty. Numerous reports and sightings of this setup have increased the growing anticipation. The river has witnessed peculiar movements and sightings. The notion arises that there may be an important presence hiding in the vicinity waiting for discovery. The initial reports have caught the attention of people, making experts curious and eager to learn more. The advent of this unknown thing is likely to be important. The expectation is high as they wonder what might come to pass. What might this colossal new detection be? Might it qualify as a natural phenomenon, an archaeological discovery, or an unknown classification of animal? People who are not necessarily scientists also show significant interest in this event, with everyone looking forward to its happening eagerly. The upcoming segments will delve deeper into the shutting down of the Jordan River, which brought about the creation of this unusual entity. Also, we'll touch upon its significance to science, culture, and society as a whole. The conclusion could revolutionize our worldview and leave an unforgettable legacy in history. So, let's start the video. The Jordan River's recent blockage caught worldwide attention, a decision based on several considerations, primarily aimed at fixing the environment and its issues. The river's state was worsening. The Jordan River has remained a crucial watercourse for centuries. The Bible mentions it due to its abundance of religious and historical value. The aim of the shutdown is to manage the escalating worries regarding the river's health and ecosystem. The quality of the Jordan River's water has suffered over time due to pollution, excessive water withdrawal, and ecological imbalances. The area's wildlife has also experienced the consequences of this. To safeguard this valuable resource, authorities briefly halted all human access and activities along the river. Directly impacted by the closure are both the tourism business and local communities. Religious pilgrims have been visiting the Jordan River for a long time. To connect with their spiritual side and immerse themselves, people from all over the world come to its holy waters. These travel routes have been messed up by the closure, and numerous water-based activities that previously helped the local economy have been halted. Officials hope to begin significant efforts to repair the Jordan River by blocking it off. Their future is planned to be protected by taking the necessary steps. The shutdown provides an exceptional chance to inspect the ecological condition of the river, handle pollution sources, and revive water resources. This famous waterway's cultural history will be protected as well. Something huge is about to rise since the Jordan River is drying up. Rumors and whispers spread as the excitement grows. The entire crowd watches the river, anticipating this grand occasion. This influential entity's arrival holds great importance and could lead to various outcomes. There remains much speculation as to the character of this event, which is still shrouded in mystery. Might it possibly be a geological curiosity, much like an aged land structure or an anomalous land feature? Perhaps it is a covert archaeological gem, like objects or structures from previous societies. Burial in the riverbed was their fate. Certain individuals actually contemplate the possibility of encountering a completely new species, which would certainly be an unbelievable find. A transformation in the way we comprehend life on this planet may occur due to it. Many experts and academics across various fields are eagerly anticipating the discovery of what is behind this mysterious emergence. Their collective hard work is revealing the truth. Experts have been gathered to scrutinize, investigate, and produce a written account of the occasion. This bizarre event is being investigated using contemporary study methods and techniques to gather more information. Scientists globally are uniting to integrate their resources and skills. The world gets prepared for a major revelation as the veil of secrecy is gradually lifted. Only imagination can capture how amazing the sight in store is. The Jordan River may experience a watershed moment if an important finding is made there. It will be remembered for a lengthy duration, resulting in a future rich with fresh knowledge and countless opportunities. The unveiling of an enormous discovery from the previously isolated Jordan River is finally happening after much anticipation. As everyone eagerly awaits the moment, specialists and the general public come together to observe this remarkable discovery being unveiled. The object or phenomenon of the tremendous size that has emerged from the depths of the Jordan River leaves the spectators without words. Its sheer magnitude and significance leave them captivated. The nature of the emerging entity influences how the discovery appears and its respective characteristics. The revelation might exhibit breathtaking rock formations, intricate stratigraphy, or geological features if it is a geological wonder. The region's geological history is clarified by these features, providing new insights. The archaeological treasure could contain ancient artifacts, ruins, or structures that reveal secrets of past civilizations. It offers significant indications regarding human history, presenting a new life form alongside its unique traits and adaptations is something experts might do in the event of discovering an unknown species. Revolutionizing our comprehension of biodiversity could be possible with this. Following the discovery, experts and scientists are quickly analyzing it, causing varying initial reactions ranging from astonishment to excitement. The significance of the find starts to unfold, revealing its scientific, cultural, and historical implications. The discovery's magnitude has captivated the public as well. Discussions, images, and theories about the newfound marvel are all over social media. The ramifications of this enormous discovery reverberate through diverse spheres. Employing advanced research methods, scientific communities mobilize to conduct thorough investigations into every facet of the discovery. Preserving and interpreting newfound cultural gems requires the cooperation of both cultural institutions and heritage organizations. Governments and policymakers are pondering how the discovery will affect conservation efforts, tourism, and local economies. The immense discovery may reshape scientific comprehension, disrupt prior assumptions, and motivate innovative research possibilities. It kindles excitement and eagerness to know more, driving continued exploration and revelation. It could also function as a trigger for protecting the environment, respecting culture, and developing a greater appreciation of our shared legacy. The big reveal is nearing as the veil of secrecy slowly lifts and the world gets ready. Only our imagination can imagine what an amazing sight is in store. Discovering something important along the Jordan River might represent a watershed opportunity. Its remembrance will last for an extended duration and prompt a future overflowing with novel insights and infinite opportunities. Implications abound as a major discovery uncovered in the Jordan River is revealed. They echo through scientific, cultural, and societal domains. Our understanding of the world has the potential to be reshaped, and a lasting impact could be left by exploring these implications. With regard to science, discovery opens up exciting new paths for exploration and research. The chance to study and analyze a previously unknown phenomenon is presented to scientists. This enlarges our comprehension of geological processes, archaeological history, and biodiversity. Various fields can experience breakthroughs due to the findings, driving advancements in the earth sciences, anthropology, or biology. The cultural implications of the discovery have deep meaning. Insights about the thriving civilizations and heritage linked to the Jordan River can be obtained. The recently uncovered archaeological treasures and cultural artifacts provide glimpses into former societies, enhancing the portrait of human history. The discovery can also encourage cultural exchange, appreciation, and dialogue among varied communities. The approach can assist in comprehending and valuing various customs and beliefs. The extent of the impact of this discovery goes beyond academia and cultural establishments at a societal level. Environmental conservation awareness can be raised by attracting tourists and stimulating local economies. Marvels and newfound knowledge might inspire a sense of curiosity and wonder, driving the general public's interest in exploration, history, and science. This applies specifically to youth. Furthermore, the discovery may have wider environmental and conservation effects. By shedding light on the ecological condition of the Jordan River and the nearby ecosystems, it can prompt movements towards conserving, restoring, and sustainably managing water resources. Generally speaking, exploring the outcomes of this tremendous discovery guarantees a journey of transformation. Studying further about the world intensifies our awareness, binds us with our roots and motivates us to protect both the natural and cultural heritage of Earth. Following the significant discovery of the Jordan River, the world initiated a phase of extensive exploration and research. The discovery resulted in numerous activities and projects being undertaken. Trying to comprehend the implications and scale of this massive discovery is their goal. Professionals possessing varied areas of expertise collaborate to conduct extensive studies and experiments. Their objective is to discern what the discovery is all about. The object, or event, is studied using advanced techniques and methods to acquire extensive knowledge. The new information unearthed from these investigations can aid scientists in furthering their understanding of subjects like geology, archaeology, biology, and environmental science. New discoveries and advancements can be realized in these fields by employing this new information. Archaeologists meticulously document and examine all discovered ancient artifacts. They endeavor to ascertain what transpired previously. The detection could offer us novel knowledge about how previous generations of seniors lived and what they did. How they used the Jordan River might be revealed to us by it. There are attempts to safeguard these significant structures and relics for an extended period so that future people can utilize them. The public also becomes actively involved in the aftermath. Exhibits and displays showcasing new wonders are put on by museums and other cultural centers. The promotion of thought towards one's intended message is encouraged. Educational programs and public discussions aim to spread information. It is also aimed at informing individuals about what the discovery signifies. The discovery incites curiosity in people of all ages and encourages them to learn more about science, history, and cultural traditions. In the aftermath, people contemplate problems such as the environment and conservation on a larger level. As we investigate more into the ramifications and continue to uncover the puzzles surrounding this large finding, we start a journey of discovery. This journey will shape our understanding of the future and inspire generations to come. So, we hope you like our video, then do share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.